Dyson vacuum technology revolutionized cleaning with its bagless design and powerful cyclonic suction. Did you know that the first Dyson vacuum was launched in 1993? It used a unique separation process to capture dust and allergens, making it a game changer for allergy sufferers. The latest models feature advanced filtration systems that trap 99.97% of particles as small as zero point 0.3 microns. Plus, their cordless options offer incredible convenience without sacrificing power. With innovations like the digital motor and self-adjusting cleaner heads, Dyson continues to lead the way in making our homes cleaner and healthier.